In this video, I'll walk you through the simple review of Windsurf. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. What is Windsurf? Windsurf is a relatively new coding tool that leverages the power of large language models to assist developers in code editing. It focuses on understanding code context and facilitating efficient modifications across multiple files. Key features and strengths: contextual understanding. Windsurf AI demonstrates a strong ability to grasp the context of code, enabling it to make more accurate and relevant edits. This is a significant advantage over simpler text-based editing tools. Multiple file editing. A prominent feature is its proficiency in editing multiple files simultaneously. This significantly streamlines tasks that require consistent charges across a code base. LLM integration. It uses the power of LLMs to generate and apply code changes. This allows it to make very complex changes and also helps with code refactoring. Efficiency. Users report that Windsurf AI can significantly speed up code editing workflows, particularly for large and complex projects. Weaknesses and limitations. Lack of diffs. A major drawback is the absence of clear diffs or visual representations of code changes. This makes it challenging to review and verify the alterations made by the AI. This is a large drawback for many programmers. New technology. As a relatively new tool, Windsurf AI is still under development. This means that it may have bugs or limitations that are not yet fully addressed. Overall assessment. Windsurf AI shows promise as a powerful tool for code editing, particularly for complex projects. Its ability to understand code context and handle multiple file edits is a significant advantage. However, the lack of diffs is a notable limitation that needs to be addressed. As LLM technology continues to advance, Windsurf AI has the potential to become an indispensable tool for developers.